So these are my Bengalese finch. That's all of them over there in the corner, males and females. A couple of nest boxes. It's a nice inside bit for them to keep warm. I know they get a bit shy. There's some finches, some zebra finches, some budgies. And there's some more nest boxes for them. This is the outside out bit. If you look, there's some quail on the floor there, just enjoying. What I have done is I put a layer of sand down there. It's just a bit different from the soil, and then they come in as straw, like plants. So there's 3 females, 1 male, it's a good ratio to have. But yeah, there's another 2 budgies. All new, so hopefully they'll start breeding soon. But this is a good aviary for them, loads of space, and it comes right round. So when it comes to the winter, I'll probably panel up this. So I have just opened up here, there was another panel. So yeah. Well, I've noticed they don't leave each other alone. They're constantly together. But yeah.